I'm Lakshmi, your host for the day. Welcome to CA Students Virtual Conference 2021, organized by Student Skill Enrichment BOS Operation ICAI, hosted by Bengaluru branch of ICAI and Sikasa Bengaluru.
We all belong to a fraternity where ethical values are the crux of our profession, and we proudly uphold
ICAI gives the direction, corrects us, guides us, and motivates us to be a noble professional and to lead a purposeful life. I'm glad that this year we are witnessing our first virtual conference, enabling anyone in remote parts of the globe to witness our conference.
Are you ready for 2 days of amazing sessions, admirable speeches, and alluring experience?
On behalf of Bengaluru and IRC of ICAI and Sikasa Bengaluru, I wish you all a very pleasant and amazing time at our conference.
Don't you think the theme of this conference is apt for our present scenario?
Really? How so?
Our attitude gives us the aptitude to overcome any obstacles in life. It is our theme for human beings. This wouldn't have adapted so well to ongoing situations.
Of journey is one among the right steps in our journey towards success. I now request Chairman Branch CA Ravindra Kore sir and Sikasa Chairman Panindra sir to escort our chief guest, past President of ICAI CA BP Rao sir to the dais. Present sir with a floral bouquet.
Yatish, and student committee members to escort Ma'am, Regional Council member of ICAI, onto the dais and present with floral bouquet.
Thank you, everyone.
Let us together take our first step at this conference with the inaugural ceremony.
For the success of we need the grace of God. Now I call upon Navya Shri to invoke the blessings of the Almighty. I now request Srivatsa to give the song.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरम् श्री गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् अजेन्द्रपूजित विघ्नेश्वरम् भजामि सनुत पदपद्मकरम् अजेन्द्रपूजित विघ्नेश्वरम् भजामि सनुत पदपद्मकरम् गुञ्जर भञ्जर चतुरतर चतुरतरतरो गुरु गुहात्मजो प्रणवकारो गजाननयुतो गणेश्वरो भजामि सततो सुरेश्वरो श्री गजाननयुतो गणेश्वरो विघ्नेश्वरो थैंक यू
Thank you, Srivasta, for seeking blessings through your melodious vocation song.
Welcome brings a sense of solidarity and positivity. I request Sikasta Chairman of Bengaluru branch of SIRC of ICEI, CA Panindra Gupta sir, to welcome the gathering.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Respected chief guest, Bishir Avsar, past president of ICAI. Respected guest of honor, CA Dayanuvas Sharma sir, conference director and central council member. Respected Geeta madam, SIRC member and also treasurer. And Ravindra S. Kodeswar, chairman of Bangalore branch of SIRC. Uh, vice chairman of Sikasta Bengaluru, Kanchana and Shubham. And students speakers were present here and all other managing committee members of Bangalore branch of SRC of ICI and my dear students. A warm and also our first technical session speaker, C. Vijay Raja sir, for today's welcome today's session. A warm welcome to all the students uh, who are present here physically as well as virtually on the dais and also student speakers and my dear students. CA Students Conference 2021, and the theme of the conference is aptitude, attitude, and altitude. So there are certain acts which is said to be run by our subconscious mind, like driving, swimming, cycling. You don't have to learn it. So it's every time. It's an ability that you want to learn it. Similarly, so aptitude, that is make your everyday work office an aptitude that it becomes your natural way of being. With this, your attitude gets shaped and forms a solid basis for all the decisions you could be now or also in future. This leads to greater heights in your career, which becomes altitude. So, with this introduction, I welcome once again all the dignitaries for today's session and my dear students. We are absolutely honored to see the overwhelming response of the student speakers. So we have received across the country, and we have selected so few student speakers from out of station also, and few local students. And so many calls we have received after the cutoff date has been announced. So, but still, I would really take this opportunity to thank Student Skills Enrichment Board for giving us an opportunity to host CA Students Conference virtually also because of the situation. And thank you so much, C.A. Jayachandra sir, Chairman of the Viewers Operations ICI. Welcome all the go to end.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome. Its influence. We have one such influential leader of Bengaluru of ICAI. It's my honor to request Chairman of Bengaluru branch of ICAI to deliver his address.
ನಾವು ಇರುವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ
Chairman,
ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮದಲ್ಲಿ. Respected
Vijay, are you able to hear?
guy, our neighbor from Bangalore, the role model, chartered account for the students on all the young members, is none other than our BP Rao sir, and the guest of honors sitting virtually.
Chairman,
Babu Ibrahim Kaldivalli and for Bangalore Gita ED and captain of the students team of Bangalore Bank Shri Panindra Gupta and leading from the Satish Shubham and Kanchana. My dear students, the today's conference, today's virtual conference, it's been planned under the aegis of Student Skill Enrichment Board Based Operations ICAI. First of all, I thank to the Jayachandra sir. He approved very fractions of second of our request. Sir, we wanted to have the conference in Bangalore virtually as members conference is scheduled. He immediately accepted our request and the two coordinators, the heading from South, Babu Abraham Kaldivalli and C. Dayanand Sharma, immediately acted fastly to make this happen. Conference, my thanks and compliments to all the three Central Council members who have and allowing us to conduct virtual conference. We, as a Bangalore Bank and a digital hub, recently we concluded a mega conference of state level, 17 Karnataka state level conference. It is on 22nd and 23rd. Only we have taken the break of Sunday. So it is happening. That 2 days conference was happened from outsourced vendors are taken. So what Bangalore can do it today? Everything is doing by our own Bangalore branch ITT team headed by Nitin and others. My compliments to all the IT team tirelessly. The 24/7 they are working to make it this conference. It is easy that all the speakers and all they can sit and address, but how it can be make it is very difficult. My dear students, coming to an address of the topics, it was very good topics being selected, and all the students are selected by, and also our jury members are sitting here. So taking inputs of who can be because of this COVID, this virtual, how we can select the best students. So they are doing their duty. Hope all the students participants will take enjoy of this 2 days conference, enriching their knowledge. And yes, I can see the first batsman, opening batsman is there, Vijay Raja sir. Definitely the conference will be getting successful because once always Sachin Tendulkar come and opener, the success rate is very good. So Vijay Raja sir is already ready to batting. So I welcome him also from Bangalore Bank. So dear students, what has to be learned in the COVID? We have learned a lot of the things. It is very entirely, as me personally, I am so much experienced, more than 9 to 10 years, to conduct the programs in physical mode. The same thing was expected by members, but unfortunately COVID has came. Immediately we turned our directions to the digital mode. So like students also, any difficulties come in their life, they have to change their directions. Direction only have to change. Focus and attention should not be changed. Only directions has to change. It's like if any road is traffic, how you are taking into other road and reaching the goal. So same pandemic, it has came, and if we can be possible to that, we have to utilize this time. So I think we have already utilized that time. ICA has already conducted successfully examinations in November, and again, it's, today also examination is going on. Yes, of course. Only my request to the students' fraternity is you have 100% of time with you. You have to allocate office with those who are doing articleship, office and study. Your time should be in 100% only for this only, office and study. Whatever, if your office work is there, 60% you spend and 40% you for study. If office work is not there, you can divert that time to the study. Apart from this, you should not divert your time. Once you do this 100%, definitely the student, best student, ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಂದಿನ ನಾಗರಿಕರೇ ಇಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಭಾವಿ ನಾಗರಿಕರು. If you are today is a good student, you will be definitely a good asset for your chartered accountancy fraternity. Only my sincere request, take this all the whatever sessions handling by 2 days, take inputs and learn more, and just be yourself as a confident that yes, CA means chartered accountant will be. Before that, that confidence will come where if I am the as a original very good person, and if I am the very strong motivator, then only I can be succeed once I pass the CA examinations. So I wish you all for your bright career as a student. My sincere, before Panindra going to take charge as a chairman in upcoming days, the whatever present students is there, that has to be converted as members. I requested when I was Sikasa chairman 2016. There are now many of the recent attended. I proud that that is because two daughters. Both have participated as students. When I was student, I only given challenge that. When I becoming chairman, before that you could be qualified and attend as a conference members. And student conference you should not attend every year. It's a bad habit. What you have to do? You have to attend members conference. Correct. So that efforts everyone has to do it. My compliments to Panindra Gupta. Given task perfectly, they have done it 100%. So only thing is now we have to sit and enjoy the whatever the speakers say.
Thank you, sir, for the motivating speech. I'm sure all of us will be CAs before sir becomes the chairman.
Lakshmi, are you eager to know about the dignitaries for today's event?
Yes, Satvik, I can't wait.
Okay. May I request Ms. Kanchana Hegde, Cultural Coordinator of Sikasa Bengaluru, to introduce the dignitaries. Over to Kanchana.
Vijay, is it only for me it is looking paused way? You are also looking in pause.
I have the same problem, sir.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my immense pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, C.A. B.P. Rao. C.A. B.P. Rao is secured 4th rank in intermediate examination. He is also a law graduate from Bangalore University. He is a founder partner in B.P. Rao and Company Chartered Accountant. He was the chairman of Continuing Education Program Committee of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India during the year 1990 to 1991. I heartily welcome you, sir. Now I would like to introduce today's guest of honor, CA Dayanima Sharma. He's the Conference Director, CCMICAI. CA Dayanima Sharma possesses over 20 years of experience in the field of auditing, accounting, corporate, and restructuring of valuation and transactions advisory services and other related financial management services. He has covered by a coffee table book and recognized as a young Indian visionary by IMG Innovative Media Group in whole of UAE. I heartily welcome you, sir. Thank you. Over to MC.
Thank you, Kanchana. Light represents positivity and good spirit. Light brings forth knowledge and dispels ignorance. Let us light the lamp now and inaugurate the session with positivity and good spirit.
I request the dignitaries on the dais, student speakers, and the management committee members to come forward for lighting of the lamp.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाति य एष सुप्तेषु जाति कामं 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 निर्विमानः निर्विमानः तदेषु तदेषु तदेवामृतमुच्यते अस्मिन् लोकः अस्मिन् लोकः
With a map for guiding us, we are bound not to get lost. Similarly, with a program overview, our experience of the conference is bound to be enhanced.
Now, I request Yatish, Vice Chairman Sikasa Bengaluru, to provide program overview. Over to you, Yatish.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is you that counts. Not a virus or a bacteria can stop us from bidding adieu to painful year we had. Let us start 2021 with all new josh and excitement. To kickstart this excitement and keep you motivated round the year, we rightly bring you a 2-day CA student virtual conference. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A map guides us to navigate our way and reach our destination. I put forth before you a map to the conference. So, dear patrons, get ready for this exciting 2-day conference. Sit back, listen, and learn. Every journey begins with a step. Chief guest is the pastor of ICI, and the guest of honor, CA Babu Abraham and CA Dayanivas Sharma, will inaugurate our mega CA student conference. Our journey starts with the technical session, understanding of this taxation, which molds us on the current scenario of equalization levy and faceless assessment by the dynamic session chair and specially addressed by CA Pramod Jain. Post, we have an enthralling address by one of the eminent personality of our institute, who is none other than President of ICI, CA Atul Kumar Gupta. After an informative address, we move on to our next technical session, Business Communications, headed by CA Natraj. This session is going to mold us to implement communication, public speaking, etiquettes, and body language. With an exciting, knowledgeable, and enriching experience, we rest for the day. Day 2 begins with much more exciting sessions. Success is very much essential in our life. Skill set and will set is necessary for chartered accountant. Being FCA, future chartered accountant, skill set enumerates, will set builds confidence. CA Jaicharya will be enlightening us in our journey. After an enlightening session, we move on to our technical session, Information Technology, headed by CA Anand P. Janged, and will be specially addressed by CA Aniket Talati. This session is going to mold us to implement the technology in our profession and how we deal with it. Post which, we have a special address by Dr. Naveen Vishwesharaya on high performance through brain coherence. We are curious towards our future and its endeavors. To have distinct vision in the field of economy, we have our last technical session of our conference, Future Endeavors, chaired by dynamite personality CAMP Vijay Kumar. You all are aware of Taktanta Heli? Yes or no? We have an energetic quiz contest at the end. I am sure this travel will be a memorable and cherished. It's our duty to thank everyone who are a part of this travel, and thus we have the valedictory session. Bring out your aptitude, showcase your attitude, and project your altitude in this 2 days virtual CF student conference. Thank you. Over to MC.
Thank you, Yatish.
Organization is the key to success. It is my honor to request one such organized leader, CA Geeta Ma'am, Regional Council Member, SIRC, to address the gathering.
Happy evening. Because chairman has given only 1 minute time to address. Enhanced aptitude coupled with good attitude enables an aspirant to scale high attitude. So, happy evening to one and all virtually present here. I acknowledge the presence of our chief guest, beloved first past president of our Karnataka, CAP sir, and virtual presence of our guest of honor, our esteemed Central Council member, student-friendly Central Council member, I could say, CA Dayanivas Sharma sir, and the student idol of Karnataka, CA Vijay Raja sir. By saying his name itself, people will register to that, I'm sure. So that's what we will see, that Vijay Raja sir should be there in one of our conference, in one of our sessions. And the student leaders, and Sikasa chairman, Anindra Gupta, and just Yatish, Kanchana, and others. I appreciate the Bangalore Sikasa for that matter, because if we have witnessed just now, our invocation was not, for some reason, she was not available on contact. So immediately our Srivasta pitched in, and he sang the song. That is our Sikasa Student Forum and Sikasa Bangalore. So they inculcated the leadership skills themselves, and whenever, wherever available, they immediately on spot, they take the role and they perform. That is, it is a testimony of our Sikasa student Bangalore Sikasa. I'm delighted to see so many young budding CA aspirants having taken part of this great interest for this conference. I would also like to mention the importance of articleship and studies, and how a balance between both is crucial for CA students. If I take this pandemic situation, for instance, I agree that the exams were postponed due to unavoidable circumstances, and students found it difficult to keep their motivation levels high for their prolonged study period. But if you ask me, the students had an extra time to prepare for their exams. Even then, I personally received so many calls from the students day after the exams, of November exams, asking whether I can choose for opt-out. I don't know why this opt-out question comes in everyone's mind. The intention of opt-out was to favor those who were unable in pandemic, but students ensure that they used it to their advantage to the maximum extent. So if the students had well planned and studied regularly, there would not be so many opt-outs. So I stress again and again that a good balance between articleship and is much more important. So after all, our main aim is to clear CA as well as to have our career-based future. So with this message, I wish all the budding speakers
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
Leadership is an ability to get extraordinary achievement from ordinary people. I take this opportunity to welcome Babu sir, CA Babu sir, CM ICAI, to share a few words with you.
The largest branch of the Southern India Council, or the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, the chairperson of the Sikasa Bangalore branch, my distinguished colleague in the Apex Council of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, CA Dayaniva Sharmaji, other office bearers, my colleagues in the Regional Council or the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. In fact, I'm not able to see what are the colleagues. I just see Geeta ma'am addressing. At the outset, Honorable Past President BP Rao sir. Yes, sir. And other distinguished invitees. I'm extremely glad and privileged to be part of this SICA conference of the students organized by the Sikasa Bangalore branch. And I'm very glad that Bangalore is one of the most active branches, both as well as branch as well as ICASA is concerned, and they are continuously bringing laurels at the national level to the branch. My heartiest congratulations to all of you for this brilliant activities. I'm sure today the pandemic has brought many positives also. Pandemic made many people positive, but beyond that, many activities became positive. One of the positive effect of this pandemic is today we have been able to meet at this conference virtually. In fact, today I'm sitting at Cochin. I'm able to join a conference being organized at Bangalore, and my distinguished colleague Dana Shamaji is joining from Hyderabad. Probably this is one of the most important of positive aspect of this pandemic. This year, I've been the chairman of the Expert Advisory Committee of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. When I took over the Expert Advisory Committee, there were 16 queries pending. But today, our table is clean. We have been able to clear all the queries. I'm honestly sharing this is happening because of we have been able to do all meetings virtually. Therefore, my dear students, I think you should also reap the benefit of this virtual learning. Today, the Board of Studies Virtual Learning Hub is a reservoir of knowledge. Best of the faculties are taking the classes, and you are able to join for the classes at your leisure from any part of the country. In fact, in any part of the world. Therefore, that is a kind of, and best of the teachers, you can today, from among the teachers, you can definitely choose which is the teacher you would like to hear. Therefore, my heartiest congratulations to all the students who are joined for this conference, as well as for joining for this CA course. In fact, there is a perception that chartered accountancy course is very difficult. But I've been part of the examination committee. I can only share with you that we at the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India never makes the examination difficult. Probably the beauty of this examination is, it is in an examination, you cannot qualify this examination without required level of preparation. But also it is equally true that with adequate preparation, it is extremely difficult for you to fail in this examination too. Therefore, this is one of the most important aspects of this examination. And as all of us know, today the BOIS has extended lot of facilities for virtual learning. By a click of a download, you can today download all the institute study material, the suggested answers, revision test papers, and various institute publications. Therefore, it is up to you how you plan your studies. In fact, the four pillars of your studies is, one, I would say academics. Academics is one distant education mode through which institute helps you by supplying with the institute study material. Probably this is one course where prescribed study material is being given for a distant education, and institute expect you to study from the study material. By sitting in the examination board, we ensure only one thing: for every question being asked, there is an answer in the study material. Therefore, if you are able to cover the institute study material cover to cover, I can honestly tell you that passing this examination is not going to be very difficult. But if you want to be a rank holder, probably you have to take an extra mile, go beyond the study material, and do your own studies and learning. Then second pillar, probably I would say the beauty of the CA education is it is a blend of theoretical education and practical training. And practical training is the most important pillar. Therefore, this is the unique blend of a theoretical education and practical training. Therefore, as a student, you are getting a wonderful opportunity of 3 years articleship training to complete, get exposed to what is practically being done. What you are learning in theory for filing an income tax return or making a computation, you are getting practically exposed in your practical training. Then the third pillar is general management and communication skills. Probably when I was a student of this course, we never had this opportunity of having any GMCS courses. Therefore, but today you have been fortunate to improve your communication skills and presentation skills. And the fourth pillar is the information technology training. Therefore, if you are able to integrate all these 4 pillars into one, I am sure success will be yours. I wish all the very best to this conference and wish you success in your endeavors. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And encouraging words.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. It's my honor to request CA Dayanivas Sharma, Conference Director, to address the gathering.
Thank you, MCs. Hope I'm audible. Thank you very much. If the camera can be placed on the chief guest, no other person than the Honorable Past President of our Institute of ICI, CA BP Rao sir. Sir, namaskar. I cannot tell you, Ravindra, that you know how pleasuresome it is for me to actually come and be part of this program as a program director. Rather than the past president, I'll say my uncle who's attending this as a chief guest. It's an honor for me to be, you know, part of this entire, process. It is always a pleasure to be associated with him. I have seen him from my childhood days when he and my father used to be, council colleagues, and I can't forget those days. Vijay, I can tell you one thing: those memories cannot be actually brought back. It has to be always in the dreams and minds of people. The way when he used to look young with my father, I can't just imagine. And I was a student. So today coming in the student conference and addressing this is something which is very, very impressive. And more importantly, he being there is always a pleasure and blessing. So welcome to you, sir. Thank you very much for being accepting to be the chief guest of the program. Most importantly, whom I call only sir in my entire council is Babu sir. I have a lot of regard, love and affection for him. He's always been a great support for me and a guide in the entire process. Followed with, the chairman of the largest branch of the country, rather I can say Bangalore branch, Ravindra Kore, who is a very dear friend and a very good professional who's been leading from all sides and ensuring that the Bangalore branch is always on the top. I think those who have been the chairmen, they have actually ensured that, they taught many of us to be very strong, and strong by not letting it go, by getting disheartened, but ensuring that, you stand in front and face the entire thing. And Ravindra, you have done one great job, undoubtedly. And the chairman of the SICASA, Panindra Gupta, who's a young and dynamic guy who's been working with me on a continuous basis and been in touch with me. Great job, Panindra. And more importantly, a sister-like lady who was there in the regional council, Geeta. Geeta, thank you very much for always being there and being encouraging me for a lot of things in the entire process. And how can I miss two very important people of this entire process? One is Mr. Jay Chera, who is the chairman of Skill Development and Enrichment Board, and the Vice Chairman Pramod Boob, who's excellent speaker who actually motivates a lot of people. I think next time, whenever there is an opportunity to call him physical, ensure that you call him. He is one definitely a great speaker. And Vijay Raja, undoubtedly a man with so much of passion in him. That passion can be seen in eyes of his students always. So I think that is where every teacher makes whole lot of difference in students' career. And Vijay, I think you live always in the eyes of student as a dream. And I think the kind of contribution you have been making all throughout, it has been tremendous. And Bangalore has been getting the highest number of student pass outs because of all you people who are always on the ground realities with them. And all the students and the Sikasa team, particularly, who's been doing a great job across. And, this time I have missed out to be not there. I'm just to change a little bit. Now I'm conquering the, boundaries of Babu sir. I'm right now not in Hyderabad, but in Dubai and addressing from Dubai as such. And I've not been possibly touch with Phanindra on a continuous basis, but I have tried my level best to be there. And the students, I can tell you one thing, rightly said by Babu sir, the kind of contribution which has been made by Board of Studies, you and I can't even imagine. And the examination department, friends, I can tell you one thing. The first time when I put my foot into the examination department as a council member, two places I have realized the power of an institute, the power of the institute. One is the council hall. When you put your foot into the council hall, you are totally in a different world. And the kind of responsibility comes on your shoulder without even speaking anything, without even listening to anyone, is totally different. And the biggest pride comes in when you put your foot into the examination department, which is the Saraswati of this body. And this is where all institute today has been recognized because of its examination. And we are really proud that institute has always maintained that quality and standard for the students all across. BP Rao sir is sitting there. He knows in the capacity of a president how confidential that information is. Even he cannot speak to his wife and children. That is a confidentiality which is there. We can't even think about the kind of sacrifice these people make. It is unimaginable. Friends, BP Rao sir, for you just to take a very big pride about our institute is, just imagine during the COVID, we could not complete the May examination, and we had to defer the examination of November also. The president, in his capacity and a chair, he actually ensured that from 600 locations, 1400 locations have been made to ensure that right distancing is being maintained and students can write the examination. That is different, that people have opted out, but they have actually deferred. Students, I am telling you one thing, you have deferred your destiny by 6 months. Please understand, you have to be prepared. You have to ensure that on a continuous basis. The phone kiska hai? Phone kiska hai? Sorry. The most important part is deferring that 6 months examination was not a thing, but you actually, the efforts which the entire institute has put to ensure that your examination happens, it is one of the most important part. Okay, that being passed, now be ready for the future. It is something which is we need to really look into. Friends, young students particularly, I tell you one thing, one day I was also sitting like you on the other side. And today you are sitting there, and tomorrow you might be sitting on one of the chairs of any one of us, being a teacher to a president of the institute. You need to be very strong in the entire thought process and reach out to the entire right thought. The model in which we need to move forward from the old to new generation is huge gap. Why are we not thinking that, during this pandemic, what gave us an idea was primarily be different. Let us try thinking different. You have done your job as an article for 3 years or continue to do your articles for 3 years. Think about an opportunity. I'm just giving you an example that you move out of your Bangalore or city, wherever you are living in, and see what kind of different study tours you can do. Reaching out to a place like Hyderabad, which is the closest one to Bangalore, might be Chennai, which is again closest. Reach out, try to understand what are the other firms doing, what are they doing. Try to do something very qualitative and different. The time for future is primarily those students will be best who will perform in their research activities. You have to be a research experts going forward. Today you can actually make a mistake, but tomorrow it is not going to be so easy. So make mistakes today, learn from it today so that you are available. We have our council colleague, a very learned person, Pramod Jain sir, who has joined us now. Thank you, Pramod Bhai, for joining us. It is really a pleasure to have you. Yeah. So we are going little late, but however, I'll quickly close my statement by my initial speech by telling only one message to all the students: grind while they rest, study when they party. You will live like they dream. The point is very simple. If you are actually not taking rest, you are working very hard. And during people who are trying to party, you are going to study. Believe me, tomorrow you will live the dream which people look at. So please ensure that at every given point in time, you all people are motivated to do certain things good, and more importantly, a different approach that need to be followed. There is much more to talk about: examination, the process, this, that, and all other. Down the examination pattern, the evaluation process is being made online. Now the entire evaluation is going to happen online. Might be sometime later I'll come and discuss with all the students at large. And more importantly, Babu sir, you have actually been the first person who has transformed the Board of Studies. Thank you very much for giving your time. And let us recognize his contribution to the Institute for continuing 25 years to the Institute, from the branch to the region to the Central Council. And we have a person like him. And because I was not able to see you, I could not communicate about you, Babu sir. Always I would love to share the contribution you have made to the Institute every time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. And what will matter for all of you is the attitude what you will carry, and showcase your attitude in your eyes, in your body language, in the clothing where you wear, what you wear, whom you are going to talk, what you are going to talk. Attitude, attitude, and attitude in a positive way will make whole lot of difference. Thank you very much. I thank BP Rao sir again for being the chief guest of the session. Thank you very much, BP Rao sir. It's my pleasure.
Daya sir, one addition to your this one. When I was Sikasa chairman in 2016-17, Babu sir was the BOS chairman. Whatever the program has to conduct, immediately Bangalore branch, immediately on spot approval. So I could recalling the memory with sharing the experience with Babu sir administrative skills. My compliments to Babu sir.
Chairman Ravindra Kaur sir, thank you. Thank you, thank you, and welcome Pramod Jain sir, our distinguished colleague in the Apex Council to Southern Region.
Very much, Babu Bhai. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Over to the.
A leader is one who inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. Today, we are fortunate enough to have one such leader among us. I now request CA BP Rao, past President ICAI, to share a few words with us. Over to you, sir.
Sir, don't use that mic. Don't use that mic. I think that is not clear, right, Vijay?
Now it's clear? Clear? Yeah, okay. Right. Good evening, my dear students of Chartered Accountancy profession. My good friend, Chairman Mr. Ravindra Kore, the very dynamic leader from Bangalore, and he has recently, as what is that, members launch he has created. It is fabulous. Fantastic. Congratulations, Mr. Ravindra Kore ji. Our treasurer of Southern India Regional Council, Geeta Madam, and our Mr. J. And student leaders, the vice chairman, secretary, treasurer or young students. particularly Kanchana name I can remember, and with Mr. Yatish, Shubham, and other students, leaders. Mr. Dayanivasha Sharma, he is like my son. Because when I'm a very close friend of his father, Mr. Lakshman Nivas Sharma. We are together in the council for 3 terms. I used to go to his house in Hyderabad. He was just a bach. He's 15 to him. The leadership quality what he has embedded with him in all these years is fantastic. He will be a true leader for the future. Okay. There are all the Southern Regional Central Council members are so good. Babu, he has done fantastic work for Board of Studies. He has also done a lot of work for exam. Because I am in contact with very often. I know once in 2-3 months I talk to him about the institute and other things. Even MP Vijay Kumar, I think, going to talk to you tomorrow. Is very excellent technique. I mean, very thorough in his subjects. And I don't know him much, so he's going to give a special address in the next session. Our close friend, our president, Mr. Atul Kumar Gupta, I think he is supposed to address in this inaugural session. I think he may address it later on, I think. And the speaker, my good friend Mr. Vijay Raja and others. Chartered accountancy profession is a great profession. Okay. If I say something about my personal, to think that, I am, what is that called? Something I'm telling about, it is not so. It's only to encourage you. Okay. To encourage you how I have come up. I think that is the best thing I can tell you to the students. See, I was in the village in 93 when I completed my. Then nobody was there. My teacher, one Mr. Satish Vai, he is no more, but he is. I am very proud to tell his name. He was my teacher for commerce, 8th and 9th for commerce. He suggested around in 8th. He suggested you must do CA. Then I told I am interested in science. Why should I take commerce? Then he said no. Then he guided me throughout. Then he joined Canara Bank. When he came here, me to bank Ravan Swami. See, in my village or nowhere in my Beltangadi district, no chartered accounts were there at that time. And somehow I wanted to do CA. That's all. Then I joined the Chekarao, luckily principal. For intermediate examination, I was eligible since I got rank. Intermediate exam. November 1974 was the most exam. Chekarao is so strict, he will not give the leave at all. Like me, what I am doing to the students now. I also won't get, because I learned from him. I don't give much leave. It's only 2 months maximum and 3 months. And he gave me 1.5 months. He said, no, you take in November. I said, no, I'll take. The intermediate examination, when I wrote, then hall ticket did not come. Then I came to bank. I went to native place to read because I can't spend so much money in or a hostel. Went to native place, came with, I didn't. Then immediately arranged it. I got the last moment, I got the hall ticket. Till that time, it was confusion. But I got a 44th rank in intermediate. I am also 44th president of the institute. Imagine. And in 76 May, I appeared for final. I appeared because again, because no money to, because I finished my CA or articleship. I had a loan of around 3,000 rupees at that time, taken from Canara Bank. Then for education loan. Then I had to go to native place, could not spend money here. So I took my examination in St. Aloysius College, Mangalore. Then first, that is 5+3. 5 subjects were for the first group, 3 subjects were in the second group. So I finished first group without much problem. Then I developed a fever. 5th day, 6th day, 7th day, 8th day. You cannot imagine I had it. But so much fever, and I was alone in a hotel. No friends, nobody. Then on the last day examination, previous day, I developed so much. Then I came and slept somewhat. I got up at night 12 o'clock. I was very hungry. Somewhere something I took. And from night 12 o'clock to next day morning 9 o'clock till examination started, I was continuously reading. Why I am telling is because I determined that I have to appear for exam. I can't take a chance. I can't see if I fail in examination, my 6 months of life gone. I have to finish. That was the determination I had. So what is important? Then I see, then first group I got very good marks. Second group I got 50, 50 and 50. Aggregate is 50. 151 marks. Even now I remember that. Why I am telling my dear students, see, it is all in your attitude. This is, I think, one of the important subjects is today, the attitude. What your mind wants, you can achieve it. Any action in your body depends on your mindset. Even when you go for playing in golf, you must imagine where the ball should go. Then your hand, your body will act accordingly. That is very important. See, one of my teacher in 8th standard, again 9th standard, mathematics student. No, he is a PT teacher. It means physical training teacher. So he came to my class because one of the teacher was absent that. So fill up that he came and he was just discussing this. What he said is, even today I remember, what he said is, in mathematics, if you want to get 100, if you want to get 95 marks, you must aim for 100, right? If you want 70 marks, you have to aim for 90. If you want to get 50 marks, you should aim for 60, like that. Now, what happens to students? They aim only to pass. That is not sufficient. They only aim for passing is only their issue. So they fail either less than 30 in one paper or less than 50 aggregate. Aggregate less than 50 there. Every time they fail. So they don't have the vision. They have. See, whenever they fail, they get the results, immediately they telephone to their friend, say, what is about your results? So, it should come up in your life. That is audible or not? Audible, okay. So, you must accomplish in your life. So, see students, that period is such a challenging period. Again, I have to go back to the students' days because that's a challenge. Write the exam, pass, get the results, wow, great. That is the thing. That challenge where is there after when you become chartered accountant. So this is the time, 3 years. How to complete? I don't know why students are failing. See, because the institute cannot come up to your level, in the sense, level of the students. You have to come up to the level of our institute. That's the most important. And then another thing is results. For example, results we say are only, what is that, 10% or 15%. Mr. Babu Abraham will agree with me. Whenever his examination results are very bad. Because he's so strict Central Council member. I don't know how to reveal the secret. Anyhow, whenever Babu the results used to be very tough. See now 7%, 15%, 20%. During my period also, when I declared the result, it was just 6%, 10%. But actually, it is not 6%, 7%. It is only, I think, it can consider 50%. 50% only students fail. Why? Because out of now, whatever, 8 lakh students are, say, let us say 3 lakhs are appearing for examination. Out of 3 lakh, 50% are not serious. So you have to eliminate them. They are not meant for the CA, meant for our profession at all. See, why? Because it's many of them, I know, somebody told CA is good, they joined. Somebody in accounts and all, they are not good, they joined. They don't like the, the study. They don't like this profession. Why did they join? because somebody said like that, right? So that is the reason 50% you eliminate. Rest serious student 50%, result will be 50%. I am sure. And see, when I became chartered accountant in 1976, this is the first from my village and also district. Now today, I am proud to say that in my family, we are 16 chartered accountants. 16. My two more brothers chartered accountant, the elder chartered accountant, all partners, their children are chartered accountants. Like that, there are 16 chartered accountants. See, one person comes up in life. I'm telling those who have come from poor family or middle class family or this one. So if you come up, you can bring others along with you. That's the beauty of this profession. And profession is such a beautiful. I think you will not get such profession anywhere. Even in the other part of the world, also, it is not that good as Indian chartered accountants. They are respected very much. Yeah, I recently had gone to some marriage. I mean, in Hyderabad. Then when they introduced me as a chartered accountant, like that, immediately they say, "Oh, you're chartered accountant, very good." So this, immediately you can make out the changes in their face or in their mind. So they give so much respect for the profession, because institute, as Daya said, okay, and council member, the moment you enter the Chandra Council, you are different. I've seen, if forget when I was the president, you are so sincere. The only thing is, we must deliver it. That's important, either examination or board of studies. See, earlier days when I 95, I used to, once or twice, I used to be the examination committee. Yes, I used to bring the printed results to my office the next day morning by the flight. So 9 o'clock, so many students would have been, they used to assemble in my office to see the results, see the curiosity. Today, the moment it declares there, you'll get in your mobile. What a digital transformation. Even today also, of course, in this hall, only few are there. It's the first time I am, after 1 year, I am speaking from this podium, because there is no opportunity. Pandemic has created a lot of problems to everyone, particularly students. They have to bear with that, what to do. But one good thing that happened is, because of pandemic, we learned a lot about digital transactions, and because of this, virtual conferences. I am, of course, initially every day there was virtual conference. Now it has come down, or not seeing. But really, it's fantastic. Sitting at home, sitting in your office, you see the conference. Yesterday, Jeffrey Sells, I saw the conference. Very good, actually. So need not come to by travel will not be there. Or sit at home leisurely and enjoy this one. Okay, I think already time is over. I don't have, because 7 minutes again. I requested Panindra to give me 8 more minutes. That also over, I think. But one thing I would like to inform the students, that code of conduct has been introduced for the students. I don't know how many of you know. On 2nd of December 2020, there's the last month 2nd, they have introduced the code of conduct, which has been approved by the council. They have released it. The code of conduct for the students. So far, there is no code of conduct. It was not mandatory. It's mandatory only. Nothing it's special about it. CS students are really good. Whenever you deal with your employer, principal, whenever you deal with your clients, whenever you deal with the regulators, like when you go out for income tax and other things, what should be your behavior? That's the one thing they said. And decorum, that is very important. And in the public also, that's important. Say that you must have for the dress code will be sleeves, shirt and trouser. For the ladies, girls, it is silver or the suit. That's what I introduced since so many years in my office. In my office, nobody can come here. Girls cannot have other than salwar kameez or sarees. I went it long back. Even today, that's why many girls are not joining my office. Yeah, that is a problem, but doesn't matter. Okay. So please try. You can improve article. Just read it. It's in the website of the students. I don't want to take more time. We are eagerly waiting for Mr. Raja, Vijay Raja. Your
Pramod bhai, you are there? Or...
my Nanumalya. He asked why you are handing over to me. No, you asked, I am, and no. If suppose you have to appear for next exam, you want, I will not appear for next exam. I will pass. No, that was that confidence you should build. You are young blood. So when you are using your power and energy, see, when you reach my age, you can't use that power and energy. This is the right time to use your energy and power, whatever you are having, power. So dream big, you will pass. Just take it from me. And systematic reading is very important. Don't compare your friends. Others, you don't ask how you are studying. You do. And one thing I'll tell you, Board of Studies, study material is fantastic. Any students, if they come ask me, don't read any other book other than study material. It is very good. They cannot ask questions beyond the study material. They cannot. Even by mistake, if they ask, they will add marks. Don't worry about that. That is very important. And study material, because they research, so many good people are in Board of Studies. They are doing tremendous job. And council members also is looking after them, in the sense they guiding them. And study material is one of the best materials for you for the exams. Right? Thank you, Mr. All my friends, Daya, Babu, Ravindra Kore, for giving me an opportunity. And thank you very much. So all the best.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words.
Now, I request dignitaries on the dais and the management committee members to honor our chief guest.
So, you told you have been enjoying from a very long time. We want to tell you it is all a fruit of your very hard work you had put in your younger days. A big round of applause for sir. I also extend my gratitude to our guest of honor for making time to attend our conference virtually. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nivas Sharma, sir, and Babu, sir. Mentor is a person who turns a stone into a statue. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome C.A. Mohan Kumar, sir, and Raj Kumar, sir.
C.A. Rajkumar sir is a well-known orator in Bangalore branch. We consider it an honor to have you here, sir, as a judge. I request Srivat sir to escort C.A. sir onto the dais and present him with a bouquet. We will just go directly to the vote of thanks. Thank you, everyone. Every end is a new beginning. Now it's time to end this inaugural session. I request PRO of Sikasa Bengaluru, Mr. Shubham, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Lakshmi. On behalf of Bangalore branch of ICAI and Sikasa Bengaluru, I would like to extend my gratitude to our chief guest, CA BP Rao, sir. Sir, wow, sir, wonderful speech, sir. Thank you, sir. And guest of honor, CA Babu Abraham, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And CA Dayanivas Sharma, sir, and CA Geeta ma'am for accepting our invitation and gracing the inaugural function. Thank you, dignitaries. Over to MC.